Wakwaba.
Me Josu.
Yo. Ofani send a man esika efasa ekuse so tie kwadwo a na ese botan mu ti ku no nya se bia no de be basa basa. E man ka say.
I'm ready and na constitution e mo bia kwan say obeti ku. Na utiku a botai a odi beti ku no normally no udin eso ko dey the chair registrar general.
Okay.
Na botai a odi tiku no so registrar general be verify. Ehun say botai na e bibia be boa. Man puntu ebeboa wankasa uyoyo na objective no in fact you know anabasa be emba man mo they will accept and you know I think say rightly said no I think say star group no but you see to me vigilantism no enye illegal and self help say bia uhwe say yekoto aba limited to abato na the security agencies no omutumi shotwa na okofa fire service oba no gina ho do kwa gina ho to be police station bo say fire service oba gina ho o hwe police ni bi wo ha say na over say why I say so comedy no utumi
why
mre say wonu mo sa utumi say what hwe no di gina ho o ka say and you know omo time gidi no oba ba access security for no immigration no mo no office work no ye because there's a shortage of security we into. Now the money have war. It told me security you provide at the police stations. And the security and my mom will be persuaded to trust them. Ultimately, it to me the na kabutaina omo fire no. You say omo ye no. Election day no one basa here. Which means that omo protective ballot box no. Now kai is from the doings of Jazatuba Nikwafo. Said elections are won at the who tell now you who tell the irregularity taking place. Who tell now why you're vigilant and you're boy here court no any shake Sana Jazatuba Nikwafo. Almost tell Hopana Sana by me call for irregularities. Oja court or cano. Yeah. Almost tell motion the answer and moon ya to abano. Na mon crofo mo agents no way o dey say and am trust ma we be say fascist nya bae na be wie no fe ya ka wie no ti mo nko na elections are won police station and the MPP intelligence no they did a good thing by bringing out. Now what can we do? Look, I believe say it's high time we need electoral vigilantes from both parties.
But what kind of say
electoral vigilantes meaning that let's have a body like Abamba, Ekano, in all the political parties. You may train your mom.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, share. Now, your mom training to do say, move vigilante is the money for Bob about until what is going to happen is that September Dua, your mom t-shirts, MPP, vigilante group, and this vigilante group, every vigilante transfer 3 group, and by every police station. Oh, yeah, I said, no more measure say, oh, my security apart of say, so they are there. Once they are there, no, to look to ensure sanity, no.
Yeah.
Oh yes, oh yeah. My macho, muso ya macho. Security is like neutral. Oh yes, you know that will lead with peace. But say, you should hear. Now you can say, and this MPP for the vigilante young woman. Now, but MPP so say now we are in, and this is now we are in position.
Yeah.
And yes, yeah. MPP for year na. Omo the bomb by no. Yes, say this government of the day no. Where we are. Then one say, what is your bakunsa? When go away? No back or so there. I was the first time to make vigilante group to protect the ballot box. And to me, no, the argument should not be vigilante and then vigilante groups are needed. In Ghana, here are needed because if their method and their missions and operations, no, and something beneficial. Why? Vigilantism means that who self-help. Meaning, even in the law, there's something we call self-help. Obi attacking what? Who different?
Yeah.
Who try say obi attack no police?
About what?
Good. I say no. Who friend say who say who assassin so no obi ba no the baby go so self-help no. And you know, to me, no, the way forward in the year. Let's look at the vigilante groups. Let's get them well organized, trained professionally. What do I say? And then we let them come in and play a bigger role in protecting the ballot box, so that we don't only have MPP and DC, but the other political parties. So you better up the game from police agents, police station agents. Some are weak, they corrupt
agents.
Oh, you corrupt. Papa, only so comedy. Vigilante groups, no, they are well resourced, and I like also vigilante. They never do. Only now the document do so so. But this police agency, you are calling a mom of rice and chicken. Now the phone show me some number. Who what here? 2016 elections, no. 2012 elections.
Okay.
Police agents that MPP for the Muko in Yano. Don't do one you can't buy no money. Oh, they say, you will be able to catch up and say, look, they bought them. Oh, they say, oh, the way those people know there. And they told me, in fact, some regions be crap to me, so a police agent. Some regions are stronghold of certain political party. Therefore, it's a sensitive region. Now, go for a police agent. Why should I know MPP? Now, in this year, go for no. Obey the names or NDC, but in one, no MPP. It took a phone now. Or the ballot box, no. The same thing happened to voter region. Most of the voters are more MPP, no. NDC in disguise. And you they don't do anything. In fact,
no, I said from Mountain MPP stronghold, baby, or my
say there was stronghold. You want to hear over column. Obi be in him so or party, but not yet. Inward. What they say, and because almost easily influenced. They are not trained. Police agents, they are not trained. Who time could do another question or not when him, Wobra, or Taba party, Kojira Ho, Sandy Pano, or integrity. Or commitment to unim. I don't talk about number. It will go Java. Almost most of them Pocano, but they are not protecting it. Every woman to on Commodore, me police station, my police agents with Tito. Now, ye never near to be. Then they are Koso. And when we have vigilante groups, they will be there to even monitor police agents and make sure that whatever is happening, no. But see, because security agency will almost more. That should be the way forward. Chancellor Rebecca and the saying you need vigilantism. You need them at the police agent. In fact, every area of our life, say there was sanitation vigilantes. I'm telling you, if you have sanitation vigilantes, are people who have taken upon themselves. Say, okay, Nam Krum, who name now would be too hard. Yes, so more, you oh, they say, we show the presence of the people now move on the crowd. Now, more one is only no Yamufia, Obapra.
To us through. Cast what our my edition, I have phone tea. Vigilantism, a day.
Vigilantism, yeah. Kubia. Normally, no, Omun cut the regular Kuayanim. Oh, they say, but Oma Magin say, Omba regular Kuono because they're shortcoming. For example, police regular regulatory of activities through the constitution. What they say, but they are limited. What they say, and you know, most of the times, Juma so much in Yano, most of the times, to be near it only be that group. I don't know, on into the mainstream security, but almost from Quo, almost say, almost they bois, and you know, community police, maybe community watch. No, yes. They are not. They come together and say, no, look, security. Police is for visibility. No. Because the police for a patrol team, the police for a patrol team. No, baby, I am going to Aduma. You be only police follow. Only number be a man. I start.
Oh, Honana told that. Castle Tacoso. Also, big area. Police for Tonda. Everybody behind. Everybody patrolling. Everybody patrolling. No, say there is one patrol here. Boys in big marine starting here. Me say, how many patrolling you want there? But there's no baby say. And there are certain areas where I mean your own houses here. No police presence. And a man community no vigilante. Listen, they come together and say, look, we are policing the community. What they are saying, and we need to encourage those kind of vigilantes. It's just like the bonnet. Okay, just say mining in I'm so for who cabo mu America parliaments near they say young no only say the bonnet. The two main political parties, no, and the violent attach it. Almost groups, no. I say, we are mayor. They are daring each other, and they are making it look violent in nature. I want to say no. They are showing now the crash, remember.
But in this anchor, it's a nice idea. NDC for one more dear, you regulate very well. NPP for one more, receive people one more dear. In election time, no, let them go and assist the security agencies. Yes.
Not so much crash.
Maybe when the police station back home, we got 2 from NDC, 2 from MPP, 2 for CPP. Omo the rules and regulations. We have the regular army and security agencies also there.
Okay.
And you know, it has to check. Some maybe the house which it want to be named to us. But also going to us, the other groups will make no need to us to cash you. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Good. And Obi Banswa, it's easy for those there no to catch the one that is coming. Let's think, we're gonna have a problem. And tell you according to Bia, you no.
Yeah.
What do I say? Yeah, Kofubia, Yetiwa, Yempedipaku, I didn't yet. Who beside the entire young to be country? Yes, I told to say MPP under pressure. What do I say? And a mama group that is demanded. But in one, no, and we. Yeah, we are beginning to be yes, definitely. Both parties, every party. Train people who can go protect the ballot box. What do I say? And then let them have training. Let them come and meet the security agencies. Let them share ideas. And then on the voting day, no, Chichomuko, various police agents, no, they are putting the ballot box, no. But yet, necessary, I say, no vigilantism. Fine, no. But on election day, what are you talking about? They'll come there. No, na who Ghana na so na no ho na so ko ya basasa oba randa so onya basasa so o me catch us oye ok o me catch us data but oba randa no so me hwe de koso how do I so be oye homosexual is not in the act so na more no homosexual
untu ye na
hwe yeah it is on more no you vigilante with mu but or say uniform what do you do but all the parties need them. Listen to me. The parties need them. About the idea, you will not get President Nado, you will not get Mamba, you will not get the appointees, no? They will not do it. About the idea, even when it comes to traveling, security, they don't trust their regular security people. I'm telling you, I'm going campaigns. They want their own.
Yeah.
Because the regular security people, no, they can compromise. But they do the regular security, no, they are compromising. Or they are either politically or money-wise, but on himself, Madam Free, or you'll be on Donald Perry. I prefer the security and police.
Okay.
Oh, they are saying, hey, because,
I think I posted like you're training.
Oh, my friend, you're training, but you're in police for lapses. Oh, you say, told me I never been in what I saw was Ghana, police for Kwame Faso, Edim Ranisha Monsa, Ebimuka Amrobes, Ebimu, Dema, and the police for Biblia. Police for Biblia, this indiscipline, and also. What I said to you, I'm saying that, we need the vigilante people, and they will always be there, whether I like it or not. You can dismantle them, but if vigilante, by birth and a passion.
All right.
You can't do away with it.
But I say,